Hi friends, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thanks for watching. So today's reading is it's a pick a pile reading, and the topic is what's the gossip on you, or what's the tea on you. So let's see what's the tea on you. So it's a pick a pile reading, so you have to choose one pile. So it is a blue pen and it is a orange one. So just concentrate on the choices and pick which one you are attracted to so that we can get into the reading. Let's see what is the gossip on pile number 1. It's a blue pile. People who choose blue pile, let's see what's the gossip on you. We have 5 tarot cards from traditional tarot deck and 1 guidance card. It is for guidance for you. We will see it in the end of the reading. First we will see what is the gossip on you. So you got 8 of cups, 7 of swords, 8 of pentacles, the Fool, Queen of Cups. I hope all cards are visible. So let's see what is the gossip on you. The people who pick blue pile, what is the gossip on you? So the people are thinking that you are walking away from something in your life. Don't know that you have to know what exactly you are walking away. So people are gossiping about that you are walking away from something in your life, and even people are thinking that you are doing it in a sneaky way. 7 of Swords speaks about sneaky way. Whatever you are doing it in a sneaky way. So it is 8 of Cups talk about walking away from something. In actual, it is not serving you. That's why you are walking away. But 7 of Swords speaks about in a sneaky way. So people are thinking that you are walking away from something, whether it is serving or not serving. They don't know. They are just gossiping about it. And it is whether it is true or not also don't know. So just it is a gossip. Okay. So people are thinking that you are walking away from something in your life, and you are doing it in a sneaky way. And 8 of Pentacles talks about you working on something. You are putting your hard work on something. So they even talking about you're working on something, or you're working on your pentacles, your career related matters more than any other things. So you are walking away from the things which are not serving, and you are doing in a sneaky way, and they are telling that you are working on your career more than other things. And the Fool cards, next is Fool cards. It speaks about unknownness. So you are working on your career, whether you know it or don't know where you are going, but you are putting your efforts and you are working on something which you are desired, or it is your career or your pentacles. You don't know what is the result, end result, but you are working on something. And Queen of Cups. So they even talking or gossiping about your love life. They are gossiping about your love offer. Maybe you received recently any love opportunity, or you entered in any relationship. So they are even gossiping about your love life also. Whether it is a new love or you are going to entering in a new relationship. They are gossiping about your love life. And they are telling that you are working on something which you don't know where you are going to end up, but you are working on something and you are walking away from something which is not served or in a seeky way. So this is what the gossip actually. So they are talking about your mostly in career life and love life. So the good things only actually. It is not a bad things. There is no bad gossiping is going on you. So no need to worry. Anyway, no need to worry about the gossips. It is just a gossips. We just to listen and enjoy. That's it. You don't need to take it as a seriously. It is their opinion. So they are gossiping. The way they understand you. The way they understand your life, they are in their perception. So they gossip about you in that way, they in their perception. So we no need to take serious about it. So this is the gossip about you. The people who are talking are gossiping about you. So let's see what is the guidance for you. I connect with Commander Ashtar to serve the universe. So whatever people are gossiping about you, you are not giving a fuck and you are not caring about it. You are just connecting yourself with the universe to serve the universe, to do what you want in your life. Just concentrating on yourself and concentrating on your goals. That's it. You are not giving any, seriously, you are not giving any importance to the gossips in your life. So this is what we have purified. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. Let's move to orange pile. Let's see what is the gossip about the orange people who pick the orange pile. So this tarot card from traditional tarot deck. We will see what is the gossip from this traditional tarot deck, and this is a guidance card. We will see this guidance in the end of the reading. Okay, let's see. So what is the gossip on the pile who picked the orange pen? So you got the High Priestess, the Knight of Rods, Page of Rods, Page of Cups, and the Empress. I hope you are able to see the cards. So what is the gossip on you? The people are highly gossiping on you in high regards also. So the High Priestess is a mysterious card. So people are gossiping that you are mysterious, you are very secretive. You won't share everything to them. You even keep some secrets. So people are gossiping that you are secretive. And you are very action oriented person. The Knight of Rods speaks about action, taking action. So they even gossiping that you are very action oriented person. Whatever you want to do, you immediately take action. You won't sit and just think about it. You just take action immediately. So Page of Rods speaks about passion. So they even gossiping that you are very passionate person. You are very fiery and passionate person. Whatever you do in your life, you do with passion and fieriness. And the Page of Cups, they are talking about your love life, the love opportunity you have in your life. They are talking that you are going to receive, or you are received, or you are receiving the love opportunity. So they are talking about that love opportunity, gossiping about that love. And the Empress, the ultimate card of the tarot deck. So they are gossiping that you are the Empress. So you don't need anyone. You are full with yourself. You are complete with yourself. You don't depend on anyone. And you have your shit together. So you are like an Empress. You hold your own kingdom. that you are an empress. So this is the gossip actually. This is the gossip people are doing. It's positive gossip only. There is no negative. Anyway, so let's see what is the guidance for you. I attune to Archangel Metatron today. So the guidance is the new doors are opening for you, and the Archangel Metatron will be guide you towards that new doors. Just do whatever you are doing, continue whatever you are doing in your life. You are doing great. Be in that empress position no matter what, and just that new doors are opening. Just go and take that new opportunities. Whatever new things are coming in your way, just take that new opportunities. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe.